Get in, son!
Dad. This is why you need a man. It's really, really busy.
Don't, I'm about to fucking hell for a walk.
Ready, wind's coming now.
You're not getting a reaction.
Get in, son!
Immediately regret that. Fucking broke.
Oh no. That's obviously gonna happen. You feel better for that, boy?
No, I feel shit. I feel really shit.
Do you? Need a cig?
I do actually.
It's Saturday. Tomorrow is the Summer Bash, the shutter sessions, the return of, which is really exciting because we are opening up this space behind us. It might not look like it because there's a forklift and a load of rubbish, but it's going to be transformed into our own mini cafe with a pizza spot out here, and we've only got 24 hours to do it. So we've come in, we're creating our to-do list, and the first thing we've seen is the toilet's locks have broke somehow. I'm going to create a to-do list for everything else. Charlie's going to go screw fix and get some locks, and then we're going to crack on. So watch it transform. Let's go!
Brad.
This is why you need a man.
Ignore these, not important. You can hook it on and then it actually is locked. It won't open. So we're just gonna stick a sign up. It'll be okay.
Wow.
Yeah, you're just taking your time in between darts.
Yeah.
So, Sunday morning, Summer Bash Shutter Sessions Volume 3. My first Shutter Sessions as being part of the business, so very excited for it. Just doing the finishing touches now. It's about 9:30, so we've got half an hour to get ready. But yeah, excited for the day ahead.
Hello, mister. It's really, really busy. We didn't think it would be this busy. So close!
That's in-house made in Douya. With homemade chorizo and Scotch bonnets.
Hot then?
Not that hot.
Oh really?
It's hotter than a tikka masala. Won't destroy you.
Lube it up because any of the excess ink on the top there wipes away. You always wear a pipe.
Right, I'm just come to check on how my locks Oh dear. Maybe ladies are a bit soft-handed. Oh! Brilliant. Not a carpenter.
Everybody go home. That is a wrap. The end of the Summer Bash, and it was a good one. We had a lot of people come through the door, a lot more than we actually thought we would, which was amazing. So thank you for the support. Hope you enjoyed the brews, hope you enjoyed the pizza. We're on the clean up now.
Monday morning, the morning after, we did a pretty decent job packing down. it don't look like it, but taking down all the pallets, they'll just lift out. But the majority of it's packed up. Got a couple of deliveries to do. Then busy carriers as well, a lot of orders to pack, so let's get into it.
But coffee.
2 drops. Let's do it.
Doors opening.
Monday, Monday. Really busy. We have cleaned up this morning from our summer bash, which was a great success. Lots of fun. We are now packing all the orders and we're double teaming it.
Not a bad day of carriers, that.
Yeah. Sweet. It's amazing.
Tuesday morning. So, quite excited for today. We're on top of the warehouse, thankfully, because of shutter sessions and all the showroom standard that we were trying to get it to. I'm finally going to have a day at my desk, which means I can edit the reel for shutter sessions and edit this video that you're watching right now. So I'm looking forward to it because it's been a bit of chaos. I've not had the chance to actually sit at my desk and catch up on emails and everything. Thankfully, nobody emails me, so it's okay. Somebody's ordered a choose your own bundle. So we've gone for Columbia Special Blend and Brad's Blend. So I'll pack that up first job. So invoice in the bottom, got the coffee bags nice and neat. I'll give them a little sample of our new brew bags and a little handwritten note. Even if it does look like it were written by a 4-year-old. That's what they'll open. Good to go. Let's make a brew. Look at that. Just shy of 25 seconds, all good.
Ooh! DB, we need some more yogurt, someone's eating it. It was me. So today we are tasting some coffees. So every 3 months we launch a new single origin. The way it works is the buyers present us 4 coffees. We bring them in, try them, and choose which one is going to be part of our new single origin range. So we've got Costa Rica, and Mexico, Kenya, and El Salvador. Are we ready?
Can't wait!
That says a G. Don't like being on camera.
Hi. How do you make it grind?
How does it work?
How do you know that that's good?
Well, I'm just feeling, just to see if it's like a coarse enough grind. No, somebody's going to watch that and go, that's all.
Oh yeah.
What?
He's picked him out and put him back in.
Yeah, but it's not gone up.
It's very important that when you're doing tastings, you have a clean palate to be able to taste the coffee. So I'm having Greek yogurt, granola and banana. And if I get tasting notes of banana in the coffee, it's probably not the coffee, it's the banana. What are we doing, says G? What are we doing?
We are adding 200 mils of water to 12 grams of coffee and letting it brew for 4 minutes before we taste it.
Oh my god, she's a natural.
What's the sniff?
I've got so much food in my mouth. So there's 2 parts to this. There's the tasting, but there's also the sniff test. So when you break this crust, you get a sense of the aroma first before we taste. And it only happens once. You break it once and then you get it. Interesting.
What are you drawn to?
This top end, so Costa Rica. So what's really interesting is when you sniff it, it sometimes resembles the taste, but other times it's completely different. So for me, I never quite know what I'm getting, but they all smell pretty good. Pretty good indeed. Both in season. Pre-tasting, baby.
Silly question. Do you give it a rinse before it's touched any?
No.
Because this could be contaminated. Take that as a no.
Stringy spit.
Yeah, not bad.
Kenya.
Better technique.
Let's not get me spitting on.
Go on, says spit in the cup. Spit in the cup, girl. Have you got a clear favourite from that?
No.
No. I'm getting Greek yogurt from this one. A bit of banana.
Bright notes of blackcurrant and cranberry wrapped in a juicy and subtle complexity. And keep it interesting.
What is it? Cranberry?
Cranberry and blackcurrant.
I'm a bit judgy of that.
Costa Rica is apparently honey, crisp apple and caramel.
Yeah, I was getting the sweetness from Costa Rica, to be fair. Yeah, I've got mine.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So I've come to a conclusion on which one we're going to pick, but you won't find out until November. So that will be explained to you in the next clip by Brad.
So this product which we have tried today, we are doing it in two formats. We've got one which is for our wholesale customers. That is the batch brew style. So we do this as filter coffee. We give this machine for free to all of our customers who ever want it. And then they get this speciality single origin every 3 months. That's the purpose of doing this tasting. The second option is for us to basically release a new coffee to our retail base on a quarterly basis and offer something new. So in November, we'll be dropping this new product and can't tell you which one it is. So this is really common on Tuesday afternoon and Wednesday. Double laptop, double Bitcoin, double cold can. Whee! So if you want, just tell me everything you're looking to do and see if we can help. Bloody Baltic today. Got a coat on it, warehouse.
Don't show me in a t-shirt.
He's in a t-shirt. Means he's grafting. Today I am just about to go in the training room or the office room, whatever you want to call it. New customer coming in today. So we'll be going through what you've seen in the previous video, doing a tasting, going through all the products, equipment, that kind of thing. Best part of the job for me. Really enjoy that. Charlie has just absolutely blitzed the warehouse. So he's now got a 2-hour block doing editing for content. He will be getting any bits from our summer party sorted. And then we'll just see what this afternoon brings. Freedom. Morning's done. Now 2 van men, boys. We're off to do some really random shit. That's the random stuff. This is our stand from the show in April. We did at the NEC, which is going to be firewood for my parents' house. Charity. Oh my god. It's so heavy! Where? Stop, down.
Hi.
206. I went to say it's Wednesday today and it's actually Thursday, so that's where I'm at. Charlie is out on the van, very busy day, and I have got another new customer in, which means we're doing something right. We're getting a lot of leads at the moment, and I think it's just because the YouTube is clearly amazing. Da 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 da, this is the Coffee Brothers. Da dum 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 dum. What are we doing here?
Well, we'll just come and say goodbye.
That is another sign off for the end of another week. Goodbye! What, darling? What, sweetheart? What, bye?